Making money online has completely changed. It now rewards lazy people more than those who work super hard on the wrong things. Yes, you heard that right. Lazy people have an advantage when it comes to making money online. If you're here watching this, you probably don't want a soul-draining 9-to-5 job and dream of making money from the comfort of your own home. Luckily for you, technology has advanced significantly over the past few years, especially with the rise of artificial intelligence, AI. AI has made it possible to earn money online faster and easier than ever before. Those who spend hours working hard on something can now be easily outdone by someone using AI to complete the same task in just minutes. Thanks to the rise of artificial intelligence, it's now easier than ever to achieve this dream. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 incredibly simple, lazy ways to start earning online using AI tools. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking for new ways to boost your income, these methods could change the game for you. Stick around because by the end, you'll learn how to use technology to work less and earn more. Lazy Method 1. Background removal with CapCut. The first way to make money online involves using a free software called CapCut. CapCut allows you to remove or replace the background of any photo or video easily. This simple feature can be monetized. Here's how. Download CapCut and practice removing or replacing backgrounds in images or videos. Offer your services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr. You can charge $5 for removing the background of a photo, $10 for replacing it with a creative AI-generated background, $15 for removing the background of a video. Considering that this task takes seconds to complete, this can be a quick and easy way to earn money, especially if you're just starting your online journey. While it won't make you rich, it's a great stepping stone. Lazy Method 2. Translating YouTube content. Using AI. The second method involves helping YouTube creators expand their audience by translating their content into other languages. Here's the step-by-step process. Find creators. Look for YouTubers who speak English and don't have channels in other languages. Check their featured channels section to identify potential opportunities. Generate samples. Use an AI tool like Rask AI to dub their videos into a different language. For example, Spanish. The tool even retains their voice and syncs their lip movements to match the new language. Email the creators. Once you've created a few translated samples, reach out to these YouTubers via their business email, listed in the About section of their channel. Offer your translation services, highlighting how they can grow their audience by creating multilingual content. You can charge $5 to $10 per minute of translated video. For instance, translating a 5-minute video could earn you $50 in just a few minutes. As your client list grows, you can make hundreds of dollars daily. Some creators might even hire you on a monthly retainer to manage their translations, which could bring in consistent income. Lazy Method 3. Running a faceless YouTube channel with AI. The third method has the highest earning potential and requires using AI tools to run a faceless YouTube channel. Faceless channels are perfect because you don't need to show your face or even use your own voice. Here's how to do it. Pick a niche. Use a tool like TubeMagic, which I developed to find profitable niches. The tool includes a Niche Explorer feature that suggests niches with high earning potential. Create scripts. Use TubeMagic's script writer tool to generate original scripts for your videos automatically. Generate voiceovers. Use a text-to-speech AI tool like play.ht to create realistic voiceovers. Add stock footage. Combine your voiceover with visuals from a stock footage site like Storyblocks, which offers unlimited downloads of videos, music, and sound effects. Optimize and upload. Use TubeMagic's Warp Upload tool to generate optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for your videos. This helps your content rank better on YouTube. With this process, you can batch create and upload multiple videos in a single day. For example, creating 5 to 10 videos in a day can help you jumpstart your channel. Over time, consistently posting videos, for example, 3 per week, can result in a massive video library and semi-passive income. YouTube pays creators through ad revenue. Additionally, you can earn money by promoting affiliate products in your video descriptions. As your channel grows, you can outsource video editing to freelancers on Fiverr, making the process even more hands-off. Eventually, all you'll need to do is download videos from your editor and upload them to your channel. None of these methods require you to work tirelessly, yet they offer excellent opportunities for earning money. They leverage the power of AI tools to save time and effort while maximizing output. Of course, success isn't guaranteed. Like any business venture, these methods require some level of commitment, creativity, and consistency. But if you're willing to put in a bit of effort up front, these AI-driven strategies can significantly change your financial future. For those interested in diving deeper, I offer a course that explains everything in detail and provides access to a supportive community. The course is designed to help you succeed at making money online with YouTube and other AI-driven methods. If you're unsure about the paid course, I also offer a completely free course where you can learn the basics. Whether you choose to start small with CapCut, help creators expand their audience with Rask AI, or launch a faceless YouTube channel with TubeMagic, the opportunities are endless. Embrace AI, and you might find yourself earning money in ways you never thought possible. Making money online has never been more accessible, and with these 3 lazy AI-powered methods, you can start building a better financial future today. Remember, the key is working smarter, not harder. Don't forget to explore these opportunities, experiment, and see what works best for you. And if you're ready to dive even deeper into the world of online income and scaling your efforts to the next level, visit www.judithmarjetuing.com. There you'll find even more resources, tips, and tools to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.